How to log in to MetaTrader 5 account. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into MetaTrader 5 account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 and you will be welcomed by this homepage. And if there are no accounts currently on your app, you will have an option to add a trading account. Now, the first thing you need to do is find your broker. And if you know your broker and if you know their name, you can just search for them here and the app will suggest you itself. But if you can't find your broker, go ahead and tap on Can't Find Broker and tap on OK. Now, once you have done that, if you want to open a demo account, you are just going to search for MetaTrader and then go ahead and tap on metacodes.limited. And once you tap on this broker right here, you will see an option to open a demo account. But if you have an existing demo account, you can just enter your login credentials like your username, your password, and your server. And if you want to create a real account, head over to this messages section, or you can just tap on this right here, tap on get started, and you will be led to this page where you have two options. You can either register or sign in. If you're new, just tap on register, and if you already have an account, tap on sign in, enter your login and then your password. And after you have done that, just tap on sign in and you'll be good to go. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.